Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When your hotel collection diffuser won't turn on or completely stops working, it can feel like the device has suddenly failed without any clear reason. You press the power button, nothing happens, and there's no light or scent output at all. But in most cases, this isn't a serious hardware issue. It's usually something related to power flow, internal alignment, or a safety condition that prevents the unit from starting. These diffusers are designed to only operate when everything is properly connected, so even a small issue can stop the entire system. The good news is that you can usually fix this in just a few minutes by checking the right things. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a hotel collection diffuser that's not working or not turning on. Try these. Step 1. Plug the diffuser into a different working power outlet. Step 2. Unplug the unit and reconnect it after a short pause. Step 3. Open the diffuser and ensure the scent bottle is correctly installed. Step 4. Close the panel tightly so the safety mechanism is engaged. Step 5. Press and hold the power button to restart the unit. Step 6. Confirm the diffuser powers on and starts releasing scent.